Yeah, this is a short video on the advantages of arbitration. Why do people opt for arbitration? Well, clearly people opt for arbitration because it is an alternative disputes resolution mechanism that offers distinct advantages in terms of speed and flexibility over traditional court proceedings. I'll walk you through the details of this topic. Arbitration is particularly useful in disputes that require technical expertise. Now, an arbitrator who is an expert in that technical area would be able to decide and adjudicate better on the matters which are put to arbitration. And naturally, somebody who is trained and skilled, experienced in a particular field would be able to bring his expertise to the matter and give it the right direction. So it helps to bring about effective and efficient dispute resolution in matters that require technical expertise. Arbitration is cost effective because it saves a lot of time and money when you compare it to the traditional way of dispute resolution in a court of law. You have greater control over how quickly the dispute will be resolved, how soon your matter will be heard, and that the adjudicator would be dedicated to your matter. All of these things are missing in disputes which are land in the traditional court of law. Arbitration is convenient because parties are able to choose not only the arbitrator or arbitrators if they have more than one. They can also take decisions with regard to which language the arbitration will be conducted in, what is the venue of the arbitration, and what will be the timings of the arbitral proceedings. Privacy and confidentiality with regard to the dispute which is put to arbitration can be maintained, and there is no unnecessary publicity which we often find in case of matters which go to court, that there is a lot of publicity surrounding the hearing and then even the decision. There is greater flexibility as far as arbitral proceedings go because you can decide many things. It doesn't have to be strict and very rigid like the functioning of a court, and it's because of this that people opt for arbitration, because it's so flexible that they can decide the rules and regulations of the proceedings. All this is not possible in the traditional court of law. So in the next video, we'll be taking a look at types of arbitration. Thank you for listening.